Hello everyone, you have logged into One India News YouTube channel and this is Mariam. China has set up its first overseas military base in an African country called Djibouti, situated in the Horn of the continent. Ships are being sent carrying Chinese military personnel. China says it began construction of a logistic base in Djibouti last year that will resupply naval vessels taking part in peacekeeping and humanitarian activities in the African countries. The base will also be conducive to overseas tasks including military cooperation, joint exercises, as well as maintaining security of international strategic seaways. But Djibouti's position on the northwestern edge of the Indian Ocean has fueled worries in India. There are 5 reasons due to which India is worried. Number 1. It would become another of China's string of pearls of military alliances and assets ringing India, including Bangladesh, Myanmar and Sri Lanka. Number 2. China has stepped up activity in the Indian Ocean, which New Delhi considers within its sphere of influence. The Indian Navy has sighted more than a dozen Chinese warships during the last 2 months, forcing it to tighten surveillance over the strategic waters. Number 3. The Indian Ocean shipping lanes carry 80% of the world's oil and a third of the global bulk cargo. China is looking to secure its energy and trade transportation links along the vital shipping route. The Indian Ocean is also emerging as the playground for countries eyeing a bigger role in world affairs. China is looking to generate goodwill and influence in the Indian Ocean countries by investing in projects like ports, roads and railways. Number 4. Beijing has officially described it as a logistic facility and said that China would not seek military expansion or get into arms no matter what happened. But the state-run Global Times said that there could be no mistake that this was in fact a military base. Last but not the least, China is looking to expand its presence in the Indian Ocean and is building ports and other infrastructure in Sri Lanka, Bangladesh and Pakistan. The Indian Ocean figures prominently in Xi Jinping's ambitious One Belt, One Road initiative to build a new Silk Route. India has kept away from OBOR as its centerpiece. The China-Pakistan Economic Corridor also passes through Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, that is POK. India says China challenges its sovereignty by lending legitimacy to Pakistan's claim over POK. Well, that's all for now. For more news and updates, please subscribe to One India News YouTube channel.